Well, hello, just doing an update. Also want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. But this is it. Some wiring, which is a pain. I got quite a few junction boxes I got to put in. There's one. That's got tail lights and the wiring for the actuator in it. I ran one through the tube, one on the outside. The one on the outside is a trailer hookup. The one on the inside is going to be for 7-way commercial plug, so I can operate the battery, compressor, and spotlights, which I took and hooked up these reverse lights on these for spotlights. So I got markers on the end. I got to make a bracket up here for some more lights. Underneath that cylinder come out, and that's the tire here, and then that's going to be the junction box there for the compressor and the axle lift, spotlights, warning lights, whatever else extras I put on here. But yeah, just an update. I'm still working on it. I'm at the slow process now. The junction box here, this has got fuses in it. I don't know if I took the, yeah, I put fuses in that one. I gutted it, put fuses in it. But yeah, I got more wire I'm going to run to this junction box here. But yeah, so. All right, so. God bless. Enjoy the holidays.